Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, we keep on drifting up. Doesn't really look like we had any break of trend, so we might have to rethink this a little bit because this still could be a wave A. Maybe what happened here is it made a running ABC right here for the wave B, and we're already in a wave C. Now, if you've seen my full top down analysis, you know that I think this move up is very likely just a correction to the last 5 waves down on the daily. So I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci levels for a break of structure to the downside. I think the more likely area is probably the 50% or maybe even the 61% because there's a lot of support and resistance in on those Fibonacci levels in the past. So if we do go up to any level, whether it's the 38, 50, or 61, I don't really care. Let the market tell you. But whatever level it decides to make that double top break or structure to the downside is the level where I would stop looking for longs. Whether it happens at the 38 or whether it happens at the 50 or the 61, it doesn't matter. But as soon as I see that pizza right there, I would stop looking for logs and I would start looking for shorts again because I definitely assume that this move up is nothing more than a correction to the daily 5 waves down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.